Hey, this is Melissa. I just wanted to shoot you over a quick video to show you some ways that you can increase your online presence through your website. So the first thing that Google really looks at is they have something called crawlers, and they go through your website and look and see how much content you have. Not just content, but how much relative content you have. So you really want to have about 1,500 words on your homepage here. Looks like you guys only have 370. So that's really hurting you a little bit as far as getting to the top of that Google page. So when we go over here and Google fence install Orlando, right. So we scroll down here, and these are all paid advertising. So all these people up here on this top, Dave's Fence, Oviedo Fence Company, Mossy Oak, they're all paying to have an ad up here in Google. So if you keep scrolling down, this is what's called the map pack. So all of these people actually have a Google My Business page, and you want to really try and be on the top 3 of this page, because most of the time people go and Google fence install fencing company in my area. They're not really going to go past this first page. They're going to choose one of these top 3 guys and go with them. So I'm not sure if you guys have a GMB or not, but let's go take a look. Oh, so it looks like you guys do have a Google My Business page. That's awesome. So looks like you only have 3 reviews on here. So in order to get to the top of that page, you really need to have at least 25 reviews. And you want to have at least 10 pictures too. Looks like you guys have a lot of pictures on here though. Yeah, that's good. We just throw some reviews in there. You should be able to get more to the top of that Google My Business page. Okay, so let's go back. Alright, so when you scroll down, these are what's called your organics. So it looks like Superior Fence and Rail, Rose Fence. This is Yelp, so this is what's called a citation. So citation is basically any type of directory where your name, address, and phone number is listed on their site. So that can be anything like Yelp, Angie's List, any of those type of companies. So let's go and look at this guy, Rose Fence. So when we look at his site, has a lot of pictures, and just so you know, pictures actually count in Google's eyes as content as well. So as long as you're saving your pictures the correct way on your website, that actually counts as a keyword too. So you want to save it as some kind of relative keyword, aluminum fencing, wood fencing, something of that nature. So it looks like this guy, he probably doesn't have 1,500 words, but he does have a lot of content on his site. Probably coming from these back pages as well. Yeah. So when you scroll down, you can see he has a lot of content, relative content on his site. And then when we go look in your website, so what you want to do is all of these different categories that you have, you want to make that clickable and put a lot of content on there. That's really going to catch Google's eye and put you back up ranking to the top of that page. That would help you out a lot. So I use this software program called Ahrefs, and it analyzes the website. So it looks like this area that says organic traffic, that's how many people are coming to your website per month. And looks like nobody is seeing your website at all. You have 2 organic keywords. You do have some backlinks, which is good. And a backlink is any website, article, blog, anybody that's directing people back to your site. So when we go and look at Rose Fence Company, that was that top guy on the Google page, he has 260 people come into his site per month. And a lot of it has to do with his content. He has 613 keywords, and he also has 637 backlinks, which is coming from 78 referring domains. So anyways, I think that the main thing you can do is add some content to your page, get some backlinks going on, and you could really try and beat out some of your competitors. I hope this helped you out a little bit, and feel free to leave me some feedback and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.